We all have this deep feeling, right? This desire for purpose, for connection, and for a world that just works better. But the big question is, how do we take all of our individual stories and weave them into one powerful, collective force for good? Today, we're going to look at a movement that's trying to do exactly that. It's called Planetary Citizens. So let's start with this really beautiful idea, the concept of golden threads. Just think about that for a second. These are the universal truths, the common experiences that show up in all our lives, no matter who we are or where we come from. They're like these invisible connections that remind us we're all, truly, part of one big human story. And this really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? I mean, are all the things that happen in your life just random, isolated events? Or are you actually playing a part in a much bigger narrative that connects us all? This is the very question that Planetary Citizens is digging into, and they believe the answer is a huge, resounding yes. Now, to really get what this is all about, we've got to look back, because this whole thing isn't some brand new idea that just popped up yesterday. It's actually built on this incredible legacy of unity, and it all starts with a true visionary named Donald Keyes. Donald Keyes was not your average activist, not by a long shot. While he was out there leading the charge against nuclear weapons, he was also on the inside, walking the halls of the United Nations, writing speeches, even advising the Secretary General. He had this incredible, unique perspective that allowed him to see how global policy needed to connect with something deeper, a real shift in human consciousness. And this was his big idea, the one that really drove everything: planetary citizenship. It sounds complex, but it's actually incredibly simple and profound. It just means that before we belong to any one country, our first loyalty, our main responsibility, is to the planet itself and to the entire human family. It's all about choosing unity over all the things that divide us. And Keyes, well, he was not shy about what was at stake. In his book, Earth at Omega, he laid it out plain and simple. He saw humanity standing at this massive fork in the road. We could either keep going down the same path of conflict and crisis, what he called a breakdown, or we could make a conscious choice to build a cooperative global civilization, a breakthrough. The choice is ours. And that original vision? It's still alive and well today. The modern Planetary Citizens organization actually created something called the Earthist Award to honor people who are guiding us toward taking care of our planet. And in this really beautiful full circle moment, the very first award was given posthumously to Donald Keyes himself. It's just this powerful bridge connecting the past right to the present. Okay, so they've honored their roots, but what problem is this movement really trying to solve right here, right now? Well, it's the incredible fragmentation of our world. Think about it. We have all these brilliant people doing amazing work, but they're stuck in their own little bubbles, their own silos, and they can't connect and work together effectively. This slide just lays it out so clearly. The goal is to move from what they call a collapsed culture, one that's fragmented, always reacting to crises, and pulling those golden threads apart, to a creative culture, a world that's coherent, conscious, and thrivable. I love that word. It means a future where not just some of us, but all of us can actually truly flourish. So, how do we actually do that? How do we start reweaving those threads? Well, this is the tool that makes it possible. It's called the co-creation wheel. And it's a framework specifically designed to break down those silos we were just talking about. So the wheel breaks society down into 12 key areas. You've got everything from health to education to business and even spirituality. The whole point is to bring leaders from each of these different sectors together. So just imagine, for a second, artists working with scientists to create these incredible public art installations that explain climate data. That's the kind of game-changing thinking this wheel makes possible. It's about moving from 1,000 separate actions to one big, synchronized approach. Okay, having a great vision and a powerful tool is fantastic, right? But you need a real, concrete plan to make it happen. And Planetary Citizens has one. A really clear, transparent, 3-phase strategy to build this whole new infrastructure for conscious collaboration. So this is the roadmap, and you can see how each step builds on the last. It all starts with phase 1. Expanding media to create a shared global conversation and build trust. Then, in phase 2, they use responsible AI as a sort of wayfinding tool. Think of it like a matchmaker for social good, connecting the right people with the exact resources they need. And finally, phase 3 is where it becomes a real participatory movement, with online salons and dialogues where we don't just talk about change, we actually get to practice it together. And that brings us to the most important part of all of this. The vision's been set. The plan is in place, and now The invitation is out there for you, not just to watch from the sidelines, but to become an active participant, a real steward of our shared future. Look, the foundation is already built. Years of conversations with over 150 visionaries have proven one thing. This desire for connection is absolutely universal. This organization has been a total labor of love, but now it's ready. It's ready to scale up and meet this critical moment in history. This is the invitation. We don't need yet another movement to compete with all the others. What we need is the connective tissue. We need a shared space, a shared context, where all the incredible work that's already happening can finally be seen and start working together. When you support Planetary Citizens, you become a steward of that very space. And you might be wondering, okay, so where does my support actually go? It goes directly into making this vision real. As you can see, 40% goes right into media and content to build that shared conversation. 35% builds the AI and tech that connects people. And 25% goes to facilitating the community spaces where we can all co-create. Every single dollar has a clear purpose. So, it all comes down to this one question. If you feel that pull, that sense of shared responsibility for this planet and for the generations who are going to come after us, well, then you're already a part of this conversation. The only question left is, will you help us build the home for it? Let's start weaving those golden threads together, consciously and with purpose. Join the movement, become a steward. You can find out more and contribute by visiting planetarycitizens.net. Let's co-create the future we all know is possible, together.